Hello everyone, welcome to another video by ImagineNext. ImagineNext is an online exclusive marketplace to buy all kind of photo and video equipments. Today I will be talking to you about Think Tank Airport Advantage Trolley Bag, which is mainly designed for traveling photographers. It meets the US and international travel requirements, and you can maximize the gear in it. So the photography gear you put can be maximized in commuters and also regional jets. Talking about the offer today, if you buy this bag today, you will be getting up to rupees 500 off using the coupon code 0GBN12, which is displayed right below. So why not? So it's the time to talk about some key features and interesting specifications about this bag. As I said before, this bag is really light in weight and it's very slim. It is ultra light and it weighs up to 5.9 pounds only. So it meets all the airport weight restrictions. You can carry up to 2 grip DSLRs along with 4 to 5 lenses, so that's pretty good. It maximizes the gear in commuter aircrafts and regional aircrafts, and it also meets the international and US carry-on requirements. I also would like to mention that other than DSLRs and the camera equipment, there is a dedicated pouch for carrying a laptop which is 15-inch in size, so you can carry a 15-inch laptop in it. Also there is a separate pocket for carrying the tripod, and it also comes with 2 adjustable straps, so you can just tighten the tripod in the side pocket and it's good to go. Talking about the wheels come with the wheels are 80 mm and it comes with ABEC grade 5 bearings, so that's pretty nice because it won't make that much noise. I would also like to mention that it has good security because it has YKK zippers, so which are lockable. So the YKK zippers are the Japanese zippers which keeps it safe from any unwanted circumstances because you can lock the zippers easily. And talking about Think Tank is known for its protection, so your camera equipment is always safe because it has reinforced dividers in it, good cushioning. So yeah, other than this, you will also be getting a rain cover with this which protects it from bad weather. Also there are 2 interior zipper pockets which is mainly used for carrying memory cards and other camera accessories, so you can keep the memory cards, the filters, the batteries and other accessories in those 2 pockets, as you can see here. Talking about the handle now, handle is very much durable and it is customizable, so you can just customize the size according to your requirements. So as you can see, the handle is pretty good, like it's strong, so yeah, it's good to carry for you. Also there is a business card holder on top, so you can just put all the photographers can just put their business cards on top, and then yeah, you can promote yourself that way. So I will be talking to you about the offer again. So as I said before, if you buy this bag today, you will be getting up to rupees 500 off using the coupon code which is displayed right below, 0GBN12. So with that coupon code, you can just go ahead and order it now. The link to buy the product is in the description below, and I hope you like this video. Keep shopping with ImagineNext, and if you have any queries related to any product on ImagineNext, you can comment down in the comment box. So thank you. I hope you like this video. Please share this video as much as you can. Thank you for shopping with us.